Hey guys, wanted to bring you another YouTube video. Recently opened two new accounts. One was Robinhood. I know they've had a lot of bad PR recently with the whole GameStop and AMC and all these different short squeeze stocks that they halted on trading. And then I also opened a WeBull. Took advantage mainly for two reasons actually. One is because they have promotions where you could get free stock if you got a referral, and I will actually put the referral link below too. So it's that one thing I do believe is that if you want to give a fair shot, you definitely want to try different apps or platforms, different technologies, just to see which one is better. So that way you can't be too biased or one way, because each product usually have different variations, different ways or offerings that could probably benefit you. So one thing I did notice that what I currently have for like my retirement account or for my kids, it's a different trading platform, and I actually work for the company, so I can't really say who they are. But like I said, I am in the industry in some ways, and so in the financial industry. And one reason why I was able to open these two accounts, because if you guys know me, I didn't get my Series 7. So that's one reason why I am allowed to open these accounts, because if you do get licensed, you can't have brokerage accounts outside usually unless you get permission or if you work for that brokerage firm. So yeah, if you work for the brokerage firm, you usually could only have that account with them or disclose the accounts that you have. So this kind of gave me the opportunity, now that I'm not licensed, that I can give these two apps and brokerage firms a try. Some of the ones that I can mention that I've had before was Scott Trade, TD Ameritrade. So those are two of the ones that I'm very familiar with. So that's where, again, I think Robinhood, I wanted to take advantage with that free stock that they gave you. And then one cool thing that you can do with Robinhood that you can't for most places is buy the partial shares. So you could buy a percentage of the shares. You don't have to own a whole share. So example, Amazon's so expensive to buy one share for yourself. So unless you have a great extensive capital to buy one share, because one share is about $3,300 right now, and then so that could take up a lot of your capital. Now, if you could spread a little bit here and there, I mean, that's not going to cost as much, because you say even if it's $100, it would be one of a 33rd or one of the 32nds. So that's not going to cost as much compared to buy one whole share, because that's where a lot of small, what they call retail traders or small traders, don't have that capital to be able to invest. The other thing, like I said, if you saw my New Year's resolution, is to learn something new. And so one reason why I did not pass my exam was options. And I feel like a lot of the financial licensings, if you want, have to get a great understanding of options, because I feel like if you could understand all different aspects of trading, you're probably going to be in better position that way. So I did see that Robinhood has options trading again. Now, again, it is risky. So again, this is for entertainment and educational purposes based on my experience. And every investor is different. So like I said, if I'll put the link below, so that way if you do want to try Robinhood, or Webull is the second one I signed up for too. And just disclosing how much I put in for Robinhood, I only put $18, just something small, I figured. Again, just trying to see how things work on that platform, because you could even start with $1 and you still get a free stock that way. Webull has a little bit different look, more, I would say, a little bit more professional looking, I feel like. Uh, and then also it does have options, but another feature I did like is that you could practice with paper money. So again, I'm still trying to see if I could do that with options just to practice to see how that works. Because again, I've seen so many ways that people are making money off options, and but it's a lot of risk. So I am aggressive investor usually, but actually as I gotten older, I would say I'm less risky compared to when I was like 2021. I mean, I've invested in some companies that were way above or way beyond their years that was not ready to be on the market and where they eventually went bankrupt. So again, back then I was a lot riskier on my investments. So now that I have a family and all that, I'm not as risky on my investments. I usually, I mean, I'll still every now and then will take a risk for these small caps, but I I used to do some penny stocks and stuff like that too. Um, so again, I would say Webull is actually giving 2 free stocks too. It said that I mean the referral I got it said 4 free stocks. So I would say my disclosure would be either 2 to 4 stocks because you have to be able to meet some of their requirements to do. So I deposit 100 just to see if I will get my 4 free stocks, like it said. So we'll see. Um, I do notice that both of them takes a while just to get it funded. It said like it's on its way, so to get it funded. Um, and it's pretty quick to link the bank account that I had set up for the ACH. I think, like I said, I'm just probably going to leave that small amount just to learn. Because, like, whatever happens to it, I'm fine with it. And something like that, like I said, I don't want to be trading as much as I can because then you're going to have the short term capital gains tax and stuff like that. I trade more definitely with my um, Roth or not, with my IRA brokerage account because right there I could trade as much as I want, and it's still free. So again, that's where you kind of have to consult with your CPA or tax consultant just to see what the tax implications could be too. So again, I would say you could give it a shot for either or. If you don't like it, you could take out your initial capital. And same thing when you get your free stock, you could sell that stock and then get that money out too. Um, for Webull, I believe it could be like a small, like penny stock that you could win or get for free, up to maximum I think $1,600 for a stock. That could be like a Google stock or something like that. So if you got one of those, that's very nice. My free stock was pretty low for both accounts or both apps. But yeah, definitely will help if you do end up getting the accounts and giving it a try for my channel. So because I also get free stock if you sign up too with the description below with the link. So let me know what you think. Again, it's at least what I kind of see is that if you could try out different platforms and then get something free for trying it, hey, why not? And then it helps each of us out that way. So again, if you're trying, because not every, and I got approved for an options account pretty quick that same day. So usually you would think it takes a lot longer to get that approved. So the whole sign up process was probably just to get both accounts and to set up the ACH and or the initial deposit. Signing up, I would say it took probably 45 minutes or less to get everything set up. So go ahead and hit that like button. If this actually helped you, hopefully you do sign up and learn more about trading and options and investing. And again, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Again, we post every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays about pretty much all different things that interest us or think that might be beneficial to helping out the community in that sense. All right. Thanks for watching and for your support. And again, together we can build a better tomorrow. Thanks.